Back to this 95 Impala. Got the carpet and floor mats in it. It's wired up for the stereo. Took the front two door panels off and installed the speaker, projection lights, and LED lights. And I've got these trim pieces to the side to prep, clean, and refinish. As most of you know, it has that gooey coating of like rubber on it. Looks horrible after a while. I've cleaned all the plastic pieces when I removed them to install the carpet. Cleaned console, everything I removed. And installed the double den relocation kit. All that's wired up. And next remove the headliner. With the LED bulb in that so I don't forget it. It's going suede. I've got the sun visors out already. I got one of the front seats broke down, and I did get your build sheet out of your passenger seat. She's rough, but she's more intact than I've ever seen them before. Alright, I get those black trim pieces finished out, and the headliner, and whatever else I can get done. And I'll come back and do another video. And in between, I may have a video on the black interior Impala, the 96. And I've got his seats and the seats for the black one cut out at my other place. So I'll do a video there soon. And I'll get back here in this trunk and straighten all this up. Thanks for watching. Peace.